Hi, I'm Joe Tigay from Equity Armor Investments, and this is Volatility 411. Today, the S&P 500 is down by about 22 handles ahead of the Fed announcement, and the VIX, not surprisingly, is up by about zero point 0.7 vol points. We're up at 26.5. Now, so far this week, it's been all negative. We've seen down days all this week, and that's coming off of a significant rally we saw in the S&P 500, about 11% off of the lows, getting stalled out at 3,900. We're seeing that become resistance now. It was support in August, so that's an important level for me. Now, maybe in this medium short-term trend, the market has a positive tilt to it. We're above the 50-day moving average, and of course the bulls have that going for them. However, the flip side of that is, of course, this long-term trend is decidedly negative. That 50-day moving average, which we're above, is trending lower, so there's a lot of headwinds in this market, and we've seen plenty of big rallies so far in this bear market. So it would not be a shock to me to see the market again make a new low. We'll have to wait and see. Now, the previous few times we saw big rallies in the market, we saw that three times this year. In March, we had the VIX down below 20. In May, the VIX only bottomed out at 24, and in August, again, the VIX bottomed out below 20 again. So which will we be looking for this time? Well, there's a lot going on the rest of the month of November. Of course, there's the Fed meeting today. There's a jobs report. There's a PPI, a CPI, of course, coming out. Not to mention the election next week. And on top of that, of course, there's a geopolitical events going on in Ukraine and Russia. So there's a lot of risk going on out there. There's a lot of uncertainty going on out there. So will the VIX bottom at below 20 if in a bear market rally, or will it be able to bottom in the mid-20s like it did in May? Again, that's anybody's guess. But for me, the long-term trend remains lower is the path of least resistance. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.